Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video number 31. This video for class 11th. In this video I will be explain chapter number 10th, the S block elements. So today I start this is new chapter. In part 2, chapter number 10th, the S block elements. Here after studying this unit, we have to able to describe the general characteristics of the alkali metals and their compounds, explain the general characteristics of the alkaline earth metals and their compounds, and describe the manufactures, properties and uses of industrial important sodium and calcium compounds including Portland cement. And then also we have to appreciate the biological significance of the sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium. So we have to start in this video. First I will be give introduction about S block elements. First, you already known about in 10th standard periodic classification of the element in chapter number 5th in class 10th. You already known about S block elements, P block elements and then D and F block elements. Okay, so here in class 11th we have to study S block elements, okay, so and P block elements. So S block elements have two groups way. So we have to start. See, define those elements of the periodic table in which last electron enters the outermost s orbitals. Those elements of the periodic table in which last electron enters the outermost s orbitals, so it is known as S block elements. Okay, so last electron enter in S block. And then P block elements, whenever the last electron enter in P orbital, so known as P block elements. And last electron enter in D and F shell, so that is means D and F block elements. So here we have to study about S block elements. So those elements of the periodic table in which last electron enters the outermost s orbitals. Okay, S block elements have two groups, first and second. And electron is equal to 2 in outermost shell. Okay, so group 1 and group 2. Two group, first group known as alkali metals and then second group known as alkaline earth metal. Okay, group 1 alkali metal, Li, Na, K, rubidium, Cs, Fr, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. It is a alkali metals. These are alkali metals. And because reason they form hydroxide on reaction, with water which are strongly alkaline in nature. Okay, so reason whenever react with water, so it is they form hydroxide and hydroxide nature is alkaline. So these elements known as alkali metals. Then group second, Be, Mg, Ca, Sr, Ba, Ra. Be beryllium, Mg magnesium, Ca calcium, Sr strontium, Ba barium and Ra radium. So these are alkaline earth metal. So these are called alkaline earth metal because their oxides and hydroxide are alkaline in nature and found in the earth crust. Only for exception Be. Okay, beryllium. So general electronic configuration for first group noble gas NS1 and second group noble gas NS2. Okay, Then occurrence way: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So sodium and potassium abundant, and lithium and rubidium lower abundance, and but francium highly radioactive and its longest lived isotopes. Okay, 223 francium and its half life period is equal to 21 minute. Okay, then second one, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. So beryllium is rare, and magnesium and calcium 5th and 6th in abundance, and then strontium and barium lower abundances, and radium is rarest of all, comprising only 10⁻⁻10% of igneous rock. Okay, so these are occurrence of the first group and then second group. Clear? Then first group lithium and second group beryllium. Okay, first element of the group first lithium and first element of the second group beryllium. So exhibit some properties which are differ from other member of the group. Lithium shows similarity to the magnesium. Here you see this one. And beryllium to the third group aluminium. Okay, so crossway. So this type of diagonal relationship similarity is called diagonal relationship. Okay, here you see lithium similar properties show similarities to magnesium, and then beryllium to aluminium. So this is the similarities in diagonal way, so it is known as diagonal relationship. And reason similarity in ionic sizes and charge radius ratio of elements. Okay, so ionic sizes and charge and radius ratio. So these are diagonal relationship. In biological fluids, monovalent ion sodium and potassium ion, and then divalent magnesium and calcium 2+ ions. So monovalent and divalent ion found in large properties, and these ion maintains of ion balance and nerve impulse conduction biological function. So we have to start group first element alkali metals. Okay, so its electronic configuration first valence shell NS1, its electronic configuration. So you learn this way: Li na ke rub such fur, Li na ke rub such fur, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Again I say this is the first group. It is known as alkali metals: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Atomic number of lithium 3, sodium atomic number 11, potassium atomic number 19, rubidium atomic number 37, cesium atomic number is 55, and francium atomic number is 87. So lithium is electronic configuration 1s2 2s1 because out 3. Then sodium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. Then potassium 19 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 and 4s1. 2, 4, 10, 12, 18 and 19. Then rubidium 37. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6 and 5s1. Then cesium 55. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, 5s2, 5p6, 6s1, or we have to say right xenon 6s1. Okay, and then francium 87, so radon 7s1, 86, radon is 86, 7s1. Here you see outer shell S 2s1, 3s1, 4s1, 5s1, 6s1 and 7s1, and only one electron in outer shell. Okay, so one electron and last shell is s. So last electron fill into the s shell, s orbital, so known as s block elements, and only one. So it is ns1 configuration, and so these are alkali metals. Okay. Then question based on this, alkali metals are never found in free state in nature because elements of alkali metals have one valence electrons outside the noble gas core are loosely held as electron in outermost valence shell. So it makes electropositive because it is easily lost electron to give monovalent M plus ion. Okay. So alkali metals have one electron, valence electron, and then easily lose electron to give monovalent ion. Then here you see group first we have to see about properties. So first we have to see electronic configuration. So second see atomic and ionic radii about group first. So largest size in a particular period, increase in atomic number, so atom becomes larger, monovalent ion form M plus, so less than parent atom M, and on moving down size increase, so lithium to cesium, up to down we have to go, so size increase, so atomic and ionic radii also increase. Third study topic, ionization enthalpy of group first. Low and decrease down the group from lithium to cesium. Okay, up to down we have to go, so decrease and low. Reason, effect of size increase, so nuclear charge also increase, and nuclear charge also increase, so outermost electron is very well screened from the nuclear charge. Then fourth point of hydration enthalpy about group first. Up to down we have to go, size increase but hydration enthalpy decrease. Reason, maximum degree of hydration. Okay, so Li plus greater than Na plus, then greater K plus, greater rubidium plus, and then cesium plus. Because size increase, so hydration enthalpy decrease. For hydration enthalpy, that is with boundation with water. So Li plus maximum degree of hydration. So lithium salt are mostly hydrates. Example LiCl.2H2O. Okay. Then physical properties of group first. Alkali metals, silvery white, soft and light. Then low density, which increase down the group from lithium to cesium because of the large size. So K potassium lighter than Na. Then melting point and boiling point are low, and then indicate weak metallic bonding. Reason, only single valence electron. Then represent color to an oxidizing flame. Due to the heat from the flame excites the outermost orbital electron to a higher energy level. Then when excited electron come back to the ground state, so their emission of the radiation. So these are fourth physical points, especially common. So see, excited electron comes back to the ground state, so emission of the radiation. So here you see lithium, so color represent crimson red, sodium yellow, potassium violet, and rubidium red violet, and cesium blue. So see, ground state electron present, and whenever energy absorb and then go to the excited energy level, so excited electron come back to the ground state whenever, so emission of the radiation, but represent as a color wave. Then fifth, detected by flame test. Okay, and flame test denoted by flame photometry, otherwise atomic absorption and spectroscopy. So when irradiated with light, the light energy absorbed may be it to make an atom lose electron, and this property makes cesium and potassium useful as electrode in photoelectric cells. Chemical properties of the alkali metals. So there are 6 chemical properties given in your textbook. 6 A, W, H, H, R, A. This is way indication point you have to learn. Which A, reactivity towards air. So reactivity towards air. So when alkali metals tarnish in dry air due to the formation of their oxides, react with moisture to form hydroxide. Okay, dry air, so formation oxides. Moisture react with moisture to form hydroxide. So they burn vigorously in oxygen form oxide. See, lithium form monoxide. See, 4Li plus O2, so 2Li2O. But sodium form peroxide, like 2Na react with O2, so Na2O2, sodium peroxide. And other metals form superoxide. This is the property main. Potassium, rubidium, cesium form MO2, like KO2. So we have to say KO2, potassium superoxide. Superoxide, this ion O2 minus ion is stable only in the presence of the large cation, potassium, rubidium and cesium. Okay, and in this way superoxide O2 minus oxidation state +1. Okay. Exceptional behavior. Lithium show in reacting directly with nitrogen of air to form nitrates Li3N. Okay, this is the exceptional behavior. Whenever lithium react with nitrogen of air, so form Li3N, lithium nitrites, because of their high reactivity towards air and water oil. Okay, like problem 10.1, oxidation state of potassium in KO2. So you already known as K is large cation. So large cation, that is means we have to say it is form superoxide. So superoxide O2 minus. So compound is neutral. So oxidation state of K is equal to +1, because here we have to write oxidation state of metallic ion +1. Okay. Then first we have to see, we saw reactivity towards air. So second chemical reactivity towards water. So reactivity towards water, it is form hydroxide and dihydrogen. See, metal, alkali metal react with water, so 2M plus and 2OH minus and then H2. So lithium, it is a most negative E minus value, and then sodium is least negative E minus value. Okay, so reactivity of water, so its reaction with water less vigorous than that of sodium, because lithium is most negative E potential, electrode potential value, and this behavior of lithium is attributed to the small size and then very high hydration enthalpy. But other metals react explosively with water and also react with proton donors like alcohol, gases, ammonia and alkynes. Okay, so whenever alkali metal react with water to form hydroxide and then dihydrogen, like 2Ma, M plus 2H2O, so react 2M plus and then 2OH minus plus H2. Okay, so first is reactivity towards air, first chemical properties. Then second one, reactivity towards water. So third is reactivity towards dihydrogen at about 673 Kelvin and lithium at especially 1073 Kelvin. Okay, so reactivity towards dihydrogen, so at about 673 Kelvin, so lithium at 1073 Kelvin, 2A form hydrides. See, metallic metal, alkali metal react with hydrogen. So 2M plus H minus, that is means metallic hydride. and but they are ionic solids with high melting point. Okay, they are ionic solid with high melting point. Then fourth chemical properties, reactivity towards halogens. So react vigorously to form ionic halides M plus X minus. So lithium halides covalent due to the high polarization capability of the Li lithium ion, and lithium ion plus ion very small in size because upside. So small in size and high tendency to distort electron cloud around the negative halide ion. So anion with large size can be easily distorted. So lithium iodide most covalent in nature. So polarization, the distortion of the electron cloud of the anion by cation. What is the polarization? The distortion of the electron cloud of the anion by cation. See, this is way like see, negative and then positive and then N. So due to the positive by cation, okay, electron cloud distortion this way. So the distortion of electron cloud of anion by cation, it is known as polarization. So reactivity of the towards halogens, so vigorously, so to form ionic halide M plus and X minus. So lithium halide covalent reason high polarization capability of the Li because lithium is small size and distortion of the due to the Li plus ion, so high tendency to distort the electron cloud around the negative halide ion. Okay, and anion with large size so can be easily distorted. Clear? So this reason Li lithium is small size and iodide large size, so most covalent in nature. Then fifth chemical properties is reducing nature. Alkali metal is strong reducing agent. So lithium small size, so most, and then sodium least. So electrode potential, standard electrode potential measure reducing power. Okay, see, metal, alkali metal, solid way convert into the gas. So this enthalpy use sublimation enthalpy. Then this gaseous way alkali metal convert into the ion but by loss of electron. So ion form, so use ionization enthalpy. For removal of the electron require an enthalpy ionization. And then this metallic ion M plus react with water, so to form M plus aqueous. Gaseous convert into the aqueous. So enthalpy known as hydration enthalpy. So lithium is highest hydration in enthalpy reason is small size of its ion and then higher negative electrode potential value and high reducing power. Okay, problem 10.2, like electrode potential for Cl2 convert into the Cl minus is 1.36, for iodine 0.53 and Ag plus 0.79 and sodium is minus 2.71 and lithium is minus 3.04. So arrange in decreasing order of reducing strength. Okay, so I minus Ag, Cl minus Li, Na. But you already known is here lithium minus 3.04. Okay, so negative, higher negative value of lithium, that is means high reducing power. So order is decreasing, that is means first we have to write greater. So high negative value of lithium, then sodium is minus 2.71, then iodine plus 0.53, then Ag 0.79 and then 1.36. So this is the decreasing order of reducing strength. But you first learn the concept. Lithium smaller size but highest hydration enthalpy due to the small size, then higher negative electrode potential value and negative electrode potential value high, that is means reducing power also high. So you learn this concept. Okay, then sixth property, chemical property of the alkali metal. Solution in liquid ammonia. So alkali metals dissolve in liquid ammonia, giving deep blue solution. Okay, alkali metal dissolve in liquid ammonia, giving deep blue solution. Conducting nature. See, M plus X plus Y ammonia. So react with ammonia. So X and then plus M NH3 holds X plus, and then removal, loss of electron. So NH3Y minus. Blue color of the solution. Okay, alkali metal dissolve in liquid ammonia, so give deep blue color solution. Reason and conducting nature. Reason, ammoniated electron which absorb energy in the visible region. Okay, visible region of the light, and so imparts blue color of the solution. Again I say, blue color of the solution, reason, ammoniated electron. Okay, and which is absorbed energy of the visible region of the light, so impart blue color to the solution. Okay, clear? So properties of this solution are paramagnetic, and then on standing slowly, so liberate hydrogen to of form of amide. Okay, this solution are paramagnetic, and then on standing slowly, so liberate hydrogen to form of amide. See, M plus electron plus ammonia, so amide convert. Okay, MnH2 and then liberate hydrogen gas. Okay, and in concentration solution, blue color changes to bronze color and then becomes diamagnetic. Clear? Okay, so whenever we have to take concentrated solution, so blue color changes to bronze color and becomes diamagnetic. Okay, then uses of the alkali metal. So 6 properties completed. Chemical properties. 6 properties of completed. First is reactivity towards air. Second one, reactivity towards water. Third is reactivity towards dihydrogen. Then reactivity towards halogens. Fifth, reducing nature. And sixth is solution in liquid ammonia. Then uses of alkali metals. Lithium metal to make alloys, like see, alloy lithium react with lead. Okay, so form alloy. So lithium plus lead alloy, it is a white metal and bearings for motor engines. Okay, lithium plus aluminium alloy make aircraft. Lithium plus magnesium alloy make armor plates used in thermonuclear reaction. Then lithium metal to make electrochemical cell. So first use of lithium metal to make alloy, lithium plus lead used as a white metal bearing for motor engines. Second, lithium plus aluminium make aircraft. Lithium plus magnesium make armor plates used in thermonuclear reaction, and lithium metal to make electrochemical cell. Then second, Na, sodium. Sodium and lead alloy make this alloy needed to make PbEt4 and PbMe4. Ethyl, lead, tetraethyl, and then tetraethyl lead and tetramethyl lead. And these organo lead compound earlier used as anti-knock activities to petrol. Okay, so earlier we have to use as anti-knock activities, but nowadays vehicles use lead-free petrol. So liquid sodium used as a coolant in fast breeder nuclear reactor. Then potassium use, vital role in biological system. Example, KCl used as a fertilizers. So fertilizer we have to in our everyday life in agriculture field use. Then KOH in manufacture of soft soap and also used as an excellent absorbent of CO2. Okay, KOH, excellent absorbent of CO2. Then cesium used in devising photoelectric cell. Okay, so these are uses. Lithium make alloy, sodium also make alloy, third potassium used in especially in biological system, and then cesium used in devising photoelectric cells. Next topic I will be explaining in next video. Thank you so much.